Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Iron Fleet channel. Leading in aerial combat, where cutting-edge technology defines supremacy, the US Air Force exemplifies this with its advanced aircraft. Pilots, as protectors of the skies, frequently face scenarios requiring quick and unconventional decisions, particularly in flight emergencies. Using highways as emergency landing sites is a clear example of this adaptability. This unusual tactic showcases the tactical versatility of the Air Force and the perfect blend of human skill with mechanical capability. Before diving deeper, let us explain the concept of highways and their fundamental role. The story began on June 29, 1956, when President Dwight Eisenhower approved the Federal Aid Highway Act, starting the creation of a 41,000-mile network called the National System of Interstate and Defense Highways in the US. This bold plan aimed to transform American travel by solving problems like unsafe roads, inefficient routes, and heavy traffic, enabling smooth and safe cross-country travel. Additionally, the strategic value of this network was clear, designed to allow quick evacuation from cities in case of an atomic attack, emphasizing its dual purpose of supporting national defense and public interest. During conflicts, highways play a vital role as emergency landing strips for air forces. To prepare, many training exercises are held to keep soldiers ready. Aircraft like the V-22 Osprey are used to deliver weapons, which are then loaded onto fighter jets like the F-35 directly on the highway. This operation emphasizes the flexibility of these aircraft and showcases the strategic planning behind using highways as key logistics points, allowing quick reloading and redeployment to sustain air superiority. While the F-35 showcases modern air power, aircraft like the A-10 Warthog also use highway landings. The A-10 holds an important role in aerial dominance since the post-World War II era, when the US focused on high-speed planes for nuclear delivery, neglecting conventional attack aircraft. During the Vietnam War, the older Douglas A-1 Sky Raider's vulnerability to ground fire and limited firepower exposed the need for better ground attack planes, leading to the A-10's development. The A-10 Warthog's rugged and durable design allows it to perform austere landings, landing and operating from rough areas without traditional runways, like unpaved roads or highways. This ability highlights the A-10's versatility in combat, enabling it to stay operational in diverse and tough conditions. In such missions, Forward Arming and Refueling Points, FARPs, play a vital role. FARPs act as key support stations where aircraft can be quickly refueled and rearmed, reducing the need to return to main bases and cutting response times. This logistics approach is crucial for lowering operational costs, especially during prolonged engagements. The flexible, temporary nature of FARPs suits the changing conditions of combat zones, keeping aerial forces close to the action. FARP training is essential for military readiness, teaching soldiers to work together on complex tasks. These drills involve setting up temporary camps near roads to practice refueling and rearming. Training also covers basic aircraft repair and maintenance, enabling quick problem identification to reduce aircraft downtime. FARP training is rigorous, simulating real combat conditions to prepare airmen for all scenarios. This includes night operations wearing full combat gear weighing about 60 pounds, including survival gear, while refueling under tough conditions. Joining a FARP team demands tough training in survival and altitude endurance, ensuring they can support missions in difficult environments and showing their dedication to mission success. One of the best-suited aircraft for FARP operations is the AV-8B Harrier II, developed by McDonnell Douglas and now part of Boeing's portfolio. This aircraft is notable for its vertical/short takeoff and landing V/STOL abilities, making it a valuable asset for the US military. It is designed primarily for light attack and multi-role missions. Its main advantage is its extended fuel and payload capacity, reflecting its continuous development to meet the tough demands of modern combat, which increases its effectiveness in FARP roles. Another notable aircraft that highlights the advancement of FARP operations is the F-35B. Its key feature is stealth, allowing it to strike enemies silently in the skies. The F-35B is the result of the Joint Strike Fighter JSF program and traces its roots to projects like DARPA's ASTOVL, which aim to create a versatile successor to the Harrier. Through collaborations like the CALF program, the F-35B was developed with advanced technologies such as a shaft-driven lift fan, improving its fit for FARP missions with fast refueling and rearming that enhance tactical flexibility. Looking at the F-35's armament, its design balances firepower and stealth. It has two internal weapons bays, each with two stations, able to carry various weapons while maintaining stealth. The two outboard stations can hold ordnance up to 1,500 pounds, supporting surface-to-air weapons like JDAMs, paveways and JSOs. The F-35B can also carry smaller precision munitions. The inboard stations handle air-to-air missiles such as the AIM-120 AMRAAM, with plans to add the AIM-260 JATM. The aircraft also features countermeasures like decoy flares and chaff, maintaining combat readiness with stealth as a key advantage. Besides the F-35's stealth features and advanced weapons, it can also carry external fuel tanks. These tanks attach to the aircraft's external hardpoints, effectively doubling its mission endurance. When stealth and agility are critical, such as during enemy detection, these tanks can be jettisoned mid-flight. This reduces the radar cross-section and lowers the aircraft's overall weight, improving its maneuverability. Let's look at the basic steps of Forward Arming and Refueling Point FARP operations. The process starts at the main base, where a crew fills a large fuel bladder designed to safely store and transport a large amount of aircraft fuel, following military safety standards. Next, the fuel bladder and essential supplies are loaded onto the C-130J Hercules, a reliable cargo aircraft known for its versatility in various missions. Once at the designated FARP site, the crew unloads the fuel bladder and supplies to set up a refueling station in a potentially rough environment. This setup enables hot pit stops, where fighter jets quickly refuel to continue their missions. This fast refueling ability highlights the strategic importance of FARPs, keeping aircraft operational with minimal downtime and demonstrating effective logistics in combat. As we wrap up our look at Forward Arming and Refueling Point FARP operations, we have seen the complex blend of military logistics, advanced technology, and strategic planning that drives modern military success. From precise fuel delivery to the frontline flexibility of aircraft like the F-35B, every element reflects careful coordination and execution in today's demanding combat environments. Innovations like hot pit refueling and the smart use of external fuel tanks show the focus on extending mission range while improving stealth and agility. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss our latest content. See you next time.